You think budgeting is about saying no? Nah. It's about finally being able to say yes to what actually matters. Let me show you why the budget isn't your enemy. It's your sword. We've been programmed to think budgeting means we're broke, that it's about cutting fun, living small, and depriving ourselves. But that's the lie the rich want you to believe, because it keeps you playing defense instead of building offense. Budgeting isn't about shrinking your life. It's about taking control of your future. It's not a prison, it's power. Every dollar you budget is a vote for the kind of life you want. Want freedom? Budget for it. Want peace of mind? Budget for it. Want to leave a legacy? Budget for that too. Because when you don't tell your money where to go, someone else will. Netflix isn't budgeting your time. Amazon isn't budgeting your emotions. But they're glad to take your money while you stay undisciplined. Not budgeting is expensive. You'll overspend, miss opportunities, and stay stuck in survival mode. Think of how many people earn more today than ever before, yet still live paycheck to paycheck. That's not an income problem. That's a no-plan problem. You can't out-earn bad habits, but you can outsmart them with a plan that works. That plan? It starts with a budget. You want peace when the rent's due? Budget. You want to invest without panic? Budget. You want to say yes to the right things without guilt? Budget. It's not about, can I afford this? It's about, is this aligned with my vision? Budgeting isn't punishment. It's permission to dream responsibly and then execute. And if you think the rich don't budget, think again. The wealthy don't budget because they're broke. They budget because they value control. They track income, expenses, and goals, not to survive, but to optimize. Their goal isn't to cut coffee. It's to know if that coffee is compounding their value or stealing from their mission. You don't need fancy tools. You need clarity, intention, and honesty. Start with this. List your income. List your real expenses. Give every dollar a job. Track and adjust weekly. That's it. That's the start of financial power. Here on Wealth Not Riches, we don't chase shiny objects. We build intelligent habits. Habits that outlast trends, survive recessions, and free us from financial slavery. Rich is loud. Wealth is silent, structured, and budgeted. Budgeting is power. Budgeting is ownership. Budgeting is freedom. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who's still afraid of their bank statement. Subscribe to Wealth Not Riches for real financial talk that builds your foundation, not fantasy. Wealth Warriors. Follow us at Wealth Not Riches on Instagram, at Wealth Not Riches on YouTube, at Wealth Not RX on X. You don't need more stuff. You need more strategy. And it starts with your budget.